Hello and welcome to Elevated Dad, where we're raising awesome humans solo. I got something in my hand here that's going to absolutely change the way you sleep at night. All right. I was going through some hard times and couldn't fall asleep and had insomnia and all kinds of things, and I didn't want to take any medications and stuff for that. So I started listening to music and podcasts or stories when I went to bed. Can't sleep with big bulky headphones on, something like this. You can't sleep with this because obviously you can't lay on your side. You don't really want to sleep with earbuds in because that'll do damage to your ear canals and possibly your ears in general. So I went on a research mission to find the best sleeping headphones, and I think I found it. So stay tuned and let's check it out. All right, so some of the best sleep headphones that I've ever used came in this box here. It's pretty generic, it just says sleep headphones. I'm not even going to try and pronounce this company name. I'll put a link in the description below so that you can check out the specs yourself. And this is it. All right, so this is a nice soft fabric. It comes in multiple colors. It's flexible, so I can put it in my hand. These are your headphones, believe it or not. And yes, it is a headband. Here's your control unit. Press and hold to power it up. It'll connect via Bluetooth to whatever device you set it up to. I use my iPhone. You can change your channels with the plus or minus. You can even adjust your volume by pressing it and holding, and the volume will go up, volume will go down. Obviously, play and pause. I use this particularly for listening to YouTube videos and things like that when I go to sleep. And this will actually function with the YouTube app, believe it or not. So when I hit this, it'll actually go to the next video in my playlist. Very cool. I like it. It's flexible, it's soft, it's comfortable. I don't know, I think I would say I have maybe a medium to lower large head, and it fits very snug. It's not tight, it is stretchable. And you're probably wondering, where are the actual ear headphones? Where does the sound come from? Well, just here, you can see this little flat speaker on both sides. It's flat enough that it's actually well aligned with the fabric. I don't know if you can even see that there, but that's the speaker. So when you lay your head flat on your pillow, there's no pressure. It's actually very well padded. Now, the issue with wearing standard headphones that go over the ear is obviously they'll fall off. They hurt. You can't lay on your side very comfortably. And you risk the potential of breaking them in the middle of the night if you fall asleep. The issue with wearing earbuds is that you're putting pressure inside your ear on the ear canal, and that can do damage to your ears, all kinds of things. And quite frankly, if you're using wireless earbuds and you lose one in your bed or in your sheets, and you'll find it in your washer or dryer later on. This is perfect. It charges using a charging port that's actually in the fabric here. So this is a USB-C connector, thin wires, so it's easily concealed. Very cool. They do get quite loud. I have not had any issue. I do like the fact that these speakers have some slack in the wire, so you can slide the speaker within the fabric to adjust so that it's centered on your ear, and it'll stay in place for the most part. Charging takes probably, an hour to get a full charge, maybe 2, depending on what kind of adapter you're using. And it lasts me probably 3 or 4 days without a charge. So this is pretty cool. Again, I appreciate you watching. Please consider subscribing if you found this at all useful.